Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to decorate a whole week of daily pages in my new Prayerful Planner for 2024. This is the current book that I'm reading and Bible study that goes along with it that I will start doing probably tomorrow. So it's Good Boundaries and Goodbyes. I'm already on chapter 5, and you can see I have a lot of highlights and I already have a lot of notes. So she actually says in the study to start to read chapters 1 and 2 before you do the first weekly study. But last night I was reading and just didn't stop. So this will be the Bible study that I'm doing. And then what I plan on doing is putting notes in on the daily pages. Now, I don't know what I'll use the actual sections for, so I'm just going to leave them as is for now. But this is the daily layout of the Prayerful Planner. So each day I will journal from my Bible study. So I do have my horizontal layout that I will use for like day-to-day journaling, what happened today, how I feel today, and so on and so forth. This is more so just for my Bible studies. And so I'm going to use Frigid Woods, and what I'm going to attempt to do is put just a little bit of decoration on each page, because like I said, I'm doing all 7 days in this video, all 7 pages, and I only want to use one set of stickers. So we'll see how this actually works. I do plan on writing in most of this planner, so I don't want to put a ton of stickers on each page. So hopefully that makes sense. I'm kind of thinking, I definitely don't want priorities, physical health. I mean, I could always put like how this study makes me feel, like emotionally, how a particular chapter or day or study makes me feel. So I could do physical health that way, even though it would be more like an emotional thing. Post-it, this is designed to put a post-it note here that I guess that you can kind of pull off and take with you, like a shopping list or whatnot. There's a section for a prayer. So priorities I'm not going to use, but I can definitely put the day, like the study here that I'm doing. Planet, I'm not going to use the planet. So I don't know what I'll use these sections for. So right now we're just going to wing it. And I think what I'm going to do is probably decorate the post-it section, maybe with a quote. Let's see. What quotes? I'm going to grab some of my faith quotes. I want a quote like on every page. I kind of wish that I may end up making faith quotes, new faith quotes to go with what scripture I'm actually studying or reading. So that may be something that I kind of do as I go along. I don't know. We'll see. But let's start with God is within her, she will not fall. Psalm 46:5. I'm going to start with this. And so I think I want to put it here. So I may just put a couple florals in this box. So let's do that. And I think what I want to do is maybe, all right, so I'm gonna decorate inside the box like I would decorate like the edge of a page. Now this is going to be a challenge for me because I'm not used to decorating in a spiral bound planner. I didn't. For 2023 I got the printable version of this planner, but I really thought that I wanted to just try to see if I could handle a spiral bound. So we'll see how far I go this year with a spiral bound planner. I don't know how it's going to work out. I am disc bound through and through, and just because it's so easy to remove and decorate pages, to add pages, so on and so forth. So I don't know how this spiral planner is going to work out for me, but we will see as the year goes by. All right, and then I'm going to take, let's see, this. And I'm just going to put my quote right in here. Oh, I got a sticker piece on the back of that. Oh, that messed it up, but it's okay. All right, so I think I'm going to call this page done. I'm going to put just a little bit on each page just to kind of see where I'm at, and then I can, once I get finished with all the days, then I can come back and fill in whatever stickers I have left. So let's decorate with some boxes up here for this page. Is that straight? No. Yeah, this is going to be such a challenge for me. All right, and then we're going to take, I think we'll take this, yeah, I'm just going to put one box here. Where's my little ruler? And actually, I could do a lot more. If I'm only going to put one box here, I could do a lot more of the floral hanging off the box. So let's do this. Definitely a challenge, y'all. Okay, all right, that's cute. And how about this quote? God has made everything beautiful in its time. We'll take this quote and put it here with this box. I just ripped my sticker, but it'll be okay. All right, so there's the first two pages. Again, I still have plenty of room to write and journal. All right, and now let's do something at the bottom down here. So let's take, those dogs are making a horrible ruckus out there. Let's take this. I'm gonna take my little corner cutter here so that I'm not trying to cut stickers off of the page. This way, hopefully this will make my life a little easier. Trying to decide what to do here, where to cut. All right, and then we'll cut here. I just cut my ruler. Okay. Actually, I might stay inside the box. Let's try that. And we'll probably use this piece, this leftover piece, and put down here. All right, and I could put this piece here so that I'm not wasting anything. All right, and then we'll do a quote. Faith over fear. So this is Faith Quotes 5. The first one I used was, what quote was that? Oh, Faith Quotes 1 on these two pages. That was Faith Quotes 1. This is Faith Quotes 5. Faith over fear. Okay, Thursday. I think we'll decorate down at the bottom. We'll just kind of try to make these pages kind of look similar. Similar, but not the same. My famous quote that I always say. So let's take this. go here. Okay, maybe take a little bit of this that's left over. Put down here. I'm not really going to use this, but I could use this little piece right here to fill in. Okay. All right, and then we'll do another quote. Walk by faith, not by sight. Oh, I keep ripping these stickers. Cute, cute. All right, Friday and Saturday. So what do we have? I think I want to go back up here to the Post-it section, and I might use these longer, or like a longer box. Put that there. It fits almost perfectly. And then we could use, I mean, I could definitely use this. But I want to cut that clear edge off. I do have another one. No, we'll leave it like it is. Now, as far as quotes, I don't think I have one that I can use that'll be small. Oh, I love Be Still. Psalm 46:10. I'm gonna put it here. I love this verse. Yes, love it. Love, love, love it. Okay, and then for over here, I'm going to use the red long box. No, I'm not. I changed my mind because I want to use a bigger quote. So I'm going to use, still going to use red, but I'm going to use this size. And I want to use Saved by Grace. And so let's put a floral down. Let's do this. Where's my ruler? Now where's my X-Acto? I got a mess. Okay. And so we'll lay this sticker down. I'm actually not going to use all of these stickers. I was thinking that it was going to take all of my sticker sheets to decorate these spreads, but I don't think it's going to. I think it's going to work out really well. All right, so we have that, and then we're going to take the quote. And just lay it there. So cute. Okay, and then Sunday is the last. Actually, I'm not going to decorate Sunday because I want my spreads, like my pages, to match. So I'm not going to do Sunday. So let's go back and look at, we have put this mess out of the way. And we'll flip through and look at each one of the spreads. Okay, so this is Monday and Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. So each page has a quote, Friday and Saturday, and then on my next video we'll do Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So that'll work out, and hopefully it'll keep working out that way. But this is my Bible study journal planner, and hopefully I'll be able to stick to it or stick with it, being on the spiral bound or being spiral bound. I don't know. We'll see how it goes, and I'll keep you guys posted on how I'm liking it and whether or not I decide to go to printable. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel and you're using Prayerful Planner and you want to see more Decorate With Me videos, before and afters, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. So that is it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Love y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.